Hello, Namaste, Xin Chao. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Nambe and I'm delighted to share with you some of the amazing yoga and EFT techniques that I've been learning and practicing myself throughout 14 years, and I'm eager to share with you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell icon next to it so that you can get all my videos as soon as they publish. I make yoga videos in 3 languages: English, Hindi and Vietnamese. Go ahead, find the suitable video and language for yourself and stay tuned. Make sure to share this channel with your friends so that they can get benefit likewise. So let's stay connected and see you in my upcoming videos. Namaste.